Hello, my name is Diane and I'm on the design team for the paper bee. They recently put out a challenge to make mini journals. So I've made this cute one from Pink Christmas, and it has little pockets with tiny tags, and the papers of this kit are just beautiful. Here's a little flip out with a pocket here with some tags, and we keep going, and here's a little flip out pocket, and it has an envelope. There are two tiny tags in that little tiny envelope. Another pocket with some tags and journal cards. And on the back cover, I have a flip-up tag where I've signed it. So this little book measures 1 inch wide by 1.5 inch tall. And then I distressed all the edges with Kitschy Flamingo. Matches this kit just beautifully. I hope you enjoyed my little project. I may put a little hanger on this and make it into an ornament. I hope you have fun making your own mini journal. Bye.